So I want to show you guys something that this idea came to us from one of our followers, Robert Cantrell. So Robert, thanks for this. It's a really good idea, and we're gonna send this also as a sample to the ATF and see what they say. I'm not convinced they're gonna go for it, but it's totally worth a shot. So as you may recall, the whole point is the ATF says they consider the right side plate the firearm on the Quick80. And that's the part that has to be made by the purchaser. We have another version where you can make a right side plate from a left side plate with a drilling jig, like so. This drill jig would fit here. You would drill the holes and take a Dremel, cut it out. I've showed that in a previous video. This idea, however, is even easier to make the right side plate. Because all that would be done is you would only need to make straight cuts where we've done interrupted cuts on the machining of this plate. So you do a straight cut here, a straight cut here, 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 and then these two cuts here and here. Being that they're straight cuts, it'd be very easy to do. You could slightly overcut them with a Dremel and a cutoff wheel, and then you could take a sanding block or file and bring them all down to the surface they need to be, and then you would end up with one of these. You'd end up with a right side plate. Now the beauty about this, and the reason this may go through, is you cannot take this plate as it is, as it's shipped to you. It would be impossible to attach it to the selector block and have this thing function in any manner. It's physically impossible. It has not yet reached the point at which it could be considered a firearm. It's the way I'm looking at it. So Robert, thanks for that idea. We will send it off. We're going to send off that version of the idea, our previous version, and may the best idea win. Or maybe they both come back okay, in which case I think this is an easier option for the purchaser. So just a little FYI, we're going to try this and see what happens.